Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I like to show you how to change WeChat name. Let's have a look. First, launch your WeChat app. Tap on Me at the bottom right corner. From here, I like to change this name. Tap on your profile picture and tap on Name. Remove old name and type new name. Then tap on Done button at the top right corner. That's it. Name changed. In this way, you can change WeChat name. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.